Hello, in today's video, I'll be sharing how to make this fantastic vegetable fried rice. You are going to love it. Let's get cooking. I have prepped the ingredients I'll be using for this fried rice already. Not to worry, just check the description box. You're going to find the ingredients listed there. The first thing I'm doing is to fry my chicken. I'm frying my chicken first because this is the same oil I'll use to prepare the fried rice. Now I'm going to place a pot on fire, add some oil, allow this heat up a bit, then go ahead to add some thyme. I'll stir this thyme a bit in the oil for 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds because you don't want your thyme to get burnt. After stirring this for 30 seconds, I'll go ahead to add my well-washed rice. Make sure your rice is well washed. I'll add this and stir fry this. I'll stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. After that is done, I'll go ahead to add my chicken stock. You can use beef stock for this. Add your chicken stock and add enough water to cook the rice. Give this a gentle stir and go ahead to add salt to taste. Now the next thing to do now is just to cover this and allow to cook. Now let's prepare our veggie. In a pot, add little oil, add enough onions. Stir fry this till the onion is well caramelized in the oil. This will make your vegetable sauce very sweet. So now the next ingredient to add is your diced carrot. Stir fry the carrot for 5 minutes because carrot is hard. If you want it to be soft, stir fry it for enough minutes. Now go ahead to add sweet corn and running beans. Give this a good stir. Now the next thing I'm adding is my diced red and green bell peppers. Now stir this and allow this to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. I'll be adding some chicken seasoning cube to the vegetables, some salt, and I'll also add curry. I'll stir this together, make sure I stir it well till the whole vegetable is well coated in the seasoning. Now the final ingredient I'm adding is the kidney beans because I don't want this to break into the vegetable. So now after adding the kidney beans, I'm going to stir gently. After stirring, I'll allow this to steam for 3 to 5 minutes and turn off the heat. Now let's check the rice. At this moment, the rice is almost ready, like the water is not perfectly dried. The next thing I'll be doing now is to reduce the heat under the rice. Then I'll go ahead to transfer the veggie into the rice. Now I'll go ahead to stir this goodness together. Remember to keep the heat burning under the pot low so that your rice does not get burnt. So stir this together till everything is well combined together. After I'm done stirring, I'll go ahead to cover this up and allow this heat up for a few minutes. And here we have it, the delicious, tasty vegetable fried rice is ready. Trust me, this rice was so good. I hope you try this recipe at home. I'll be serving this with fried chicken. Thank you so much for watching.